The 2027 Chevrolet Traverse High Country returns with an updated design and a new High Country badge. Exterior changes include Tritan Satin on the grille and headlight surrounds, black molding around the side glass, and redesigned 22-inch wheels with black accents and a machined finish. Inside, the cabin features jet black upholstery with natural tan piping and stitching, along with real wood trim on the dashboard and upper door panels. Chevrolet also replaces the previous leather with a synthetic upholstery material. The Traverse continues with a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder, producing 328 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front or all-wheel drive. Production of the High Country is scheduled to begin next month at Chevrolet's Lansing Delta Township assembly plant, with pricing to be announced later.